Hey everyone, I wanted to take a couple minutes and give you an idea of what the coming weeks are going to look like and hopefully answer any questions you might have had. If you didn't get to join that Zoom meeting, there was only, I think, 4 or 5 of us that did. So I want to kind of answer those questions for you. So, first of all of your work will be posted Monday morning on Google Classroom, and that will be your work for the entire week. So if I post something on Monday, I'm not going to post another assignment on Wednesday. Everything will be posted on Monday. It's going to be due at 11:59 Sunday night. I know some of you are going to do it all on Monday, Lauren, and some of you won't. And that's okay because do it when you can, when you have internet access, when whatever works for you. I will be taking 2 grades a week for physical science, and um, those will be some sort of combination of ed puzzle and some sort of work to do. The first week, you'll see that you have an ed puzzle video to watch, and then you have a project where you'll be making 5 Google slides. Those 5 slides will go all on one document. There's a link to one document that we are all using. When it's all said and done, I should be able to open it and see everybody's work all at once. I can go through and look at it all. That being said, if it is a shared Google document, don't make changes to it that aren't yours, and don't delete it. Everybody would appreciate if you don't delete their work. I will set up a weekly Zoom meeting for this class only. If anybody wants to log on and say hi or talk to me about anything, have anything clarified, say hi to other people in the class, I will be setting those up. The first one will probably be later next week, like Thursday. From y'all's data, it looks like you prefer later in the afternoon, but I probably will do them a little bit different times each week just to help accommodate those who can't do later or need earlier or can't do earlier and need later. I think that the topics we need to cover between now and the end of the year aren't going to be too difficult. They asked us not to introduce new or difficult things. However, what we were going to hit coming back from spring break was the periodic table. Protons, neutrons, electrons. Guys, we did that last year. I taught it to you, or Miss Philippi for, the two of you, but that's okay. I know you had it. You've had it before. This should be a review. There may be a few new words here and there, but I'm going to try not to introduce anything too new, but I want to still make sure that you get what you need to get to earn that high school credit. So there's kind of a unique challenge that way to make sure you get what you need to have for the high school credit, and also that we don't just slack off. I will be posting the Remind class code. Again, it's already on there if you scroll down a little bit, but I will post it again on Monday. Make sure you join the Remind class because that's probably the fastest way to get a hold of me. If you message me on Remind, it immediately sends a text message to my phone. I'm stuck at home just like you guys are. I'm going to be pretty easy to reach all the time. They wanted us to make up these office hours that were available. Guys, I'm available whenever you need me. If you send me a message on Remind and say, "Hey, Miss Bear, I'm struggling with this. Can you set up a Zoom meeting so you can kind of walk me through how to do this or whatever?" Because I can probably be there, virtually there with you, helping you within about 5 minutes, if even that. My kids might be in the background, but hey. I also want you to make sure that you are being responsible in budgeting your time. Make sure that you're getting your work done for all your classes. I know you guys will. I know you will. There's just a couple of you I'm worried about. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. Your instructions for the week will be in a Keynote. So you open that Keynote and it'll have a checklist on what you need to do for the week. There might be some notes to read. Oh, Ed Puzzle. You've used it before. I don't know how much, but I know you've used it before. The video you're watching this week is on Ed Puzzle. It's a really good way for me to be able to show you something without you having to stare at my face. And I can ask questions on it, so I can use it for a grade. When you are in Ed Puzzle, make sure you log in with your school email. Make sure you watch the entire video. If the last question is halfway through the video and you answer that question and X out, it'll show me you only watched 50% of the video, and I'm not going to give you full credit for that. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so that it shows me you completed watching the video and answering the question. So there's 2 parts to that. I can't think of anything else right now. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and if anybody gets sick or something like that, you need extra time, just let me know, guys. I'm here to work. I'm here to work with you on anything that you need help with. So I'm flexible. I'll work with you. Just let me know if there's a problem, so I know there's a problem and I can work with you on it. I'll see you later on Zoom, I'm sure. Bye, guys.